Currently walking through this boardwalk here at Coombabah Lake Conservation Park. Walked into so many cobwebs already. I can imagine all the snakes around me right now. Look how thick that grass is. Swamp. Not too cold this morning. Yeah. Expecting it to be freezing in here, but it's not. So this place is, they film a lot of movies in here. You can see why it's beautiful. It's got everything perfect set for a movie. And you get a lot of tourists here. A lot of the Japs come here, Brazil, pretty much every country. And yeah, it's about half an hour from Surfers Paradise. And look at the swamp. And it's open 6 AM to 6 PM daily. That's when, once the gates are shut, you're locked in for the night. No, I'm joking. But yeah, it's a great walk in nature. I would suggest bringing insect repellent because mozzies are really bad out here. And that is something I forgot to bring this morning.